at Bikeman Performance. Marshall works here. He's a machinist.
Wow.
So we're going to be converting the bolt pattern on the front of the S10 to 5x4.5. So right here, this is a stock rotor, undrilled, 2-wheel drive, Blazer front rotor. Factory pattern is 5x4 3/4. So we're gonna drill here, 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 and here for 5x4.5. So we'll start with the rotor, and then once we get that done, we'll bring you guys back. And you know, there's plenty of ways to do this. You know, you can do it with a hand, like a battery powered drill, but when you have CNCs open to you, might as well use them, right?
You know a guy.
So he has the program all written up. And Marshall, don't you have like your own design?
Oh, I do. Yeah. You want to plug that?
I want to plug that.
DigiFacture, hit me up. I'm on like Instagram and stuff, and I do design work.
So
Programming.
well, I'll put it on the screen if I remember, but also text it to me so I can put it in the description, and then we can make sure that's plugged.
Oh yeah.
Does it spray coolant everywhere?
It can.
Okay, I was gonna say, because maybe we could just put this in there.
Oh,
and
yeah, we can put it in here, and I can do the coolant off, and we can mount it up in there. I got a magnet too for it. So.
That'd be sweet.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. So you just basically have to adjust the height of the bolts.
Yeah, I'll adjust the height, and then I'm just going to double check the thickness here so that it goes deep enough. But if it all that shit, I can just do it up on there. So, yeah. Cool. That's good. Now we have the right tools in there. So we're GGG. Now we do the same thing, just a little different. You know, thanks for coming out and hanging out to do this.
Yeah.
It's a lot more fun than doing like after work.
Oh. Kind of sucks that the end of the year tomorrow, anyways. But
Here's the thing, I really enjoy this shit.
right.
It's not bad. I just get sick of management, non-organization here, shit that I gotta, because we're always working on shit that's immediately hot or whatever. But you know, it's just it's more fun doing this type of work or making my own. That's why someday, you know, my own shop would be really cool. Yeah.
I feel to do so much shit with
This mill exactly this size with the touch probe stuff too, because that's so nice. Because otherwise you gotta sit here and touch off on. It's not that bad, but it just adds. Like a lot of indication would be with my indicator like that and whatnot. You might want to clean this with brake cleaner. Brake cleaner and then maybe WD-40 in it and move on.
All right, so rotors are done. We got the first wheel bearing done. Now we're on to the second one. Got it all chalked up.
Yep.
Put in. Marshall, we put it in the...
Loaded in. We got it all ready to get drilled out. We're going to let it run.
Let's do the damn thing.
Load that into there or not?
I don't know, do you want to?
If you want it. It'd be like last time. Yeah, why not?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Well, let's double check. Do you want to check those real quick? Yep. Yeah, they seem round. I'm just gonna rerun the holes. Slow the feed rate down. We're done. Look at that. Might as well transfer it. Oh, it's in here. I have to clean this up a little bit.